about not being my true authentic self. I know that sounds really weird, but I'll explain. Hi my darlings, welcome back to my channel. It's been so long, I know, but happy new year. I'm back. So today's tutorial is going to be my current everyday makeup routine, like basically like what I do when I'm going to work, when I'm going out quickly, no too much, not too many steps. And yeah, I'm also going to be talking a little bit today. We're going to talk a little bit today. I haven't spoken in a while, so we're going to talk. First things first, I'm going to prime my skin. I've already done my skincare, I've already done my moisturizer, all that shebang. So I'm just going to go straight into primer. I'm using the Ren Clean skincare primer. My bottle is really dirty, I'm sorry. I'm going to try and like just incorporate like a few, I like that it comes to the dropper by the way, a few organic clean skin stuff into my skincare routine. This is a new brand, I don't even know, but they sent me their product and I like it. So today I actually wanted to just speak about some things that I have learned over the past few years. I realize a lot of people are getting into blogging and YouTube and like all that good stuff. And it's quite exciting to see, honestly. It's like every day I'm like, ooh, this person joined YouTube. Ooh, this person is a blogger now. It's quite interesting to see because I think when I started, not too many people were doing it. I'm going to set the primer. I just want to speak to you guys about a few mistakes that I made when I started. So if you're new to YouTube, like you don't go through all those mistakes again because there's no point. You don't need to do those mistakes because you've already done it. And you just have to learn from our mistakes. So I'm testing my primer like I do because I have oily skin. Some of the mistakes that I made, a few of them stand out so much to me and I'm like, I really wish like this didn't happen to me. But that's so unnecessary. The first one would be underselling myself. Obviously like when I started I didn't know, like I knew I wanted to do something, I knew I wanted to teach online, I knew I wanted to share my ideas or things that I knew and stuff like that, but I didn't know how to translate that into money. I'm going to be using the Christian Dior Forever foundation. This foundation is so nice. Like I've been using it for a while now. I got gifted from Centopia. If you haven't been going to Centopia to shop for your makeup products, I don't know what you're doing. You better go and shop for makeup products from Centopia. It's our Sephora, honestly. Like, you're sure that all the products you're getting are 100% genuine, authentic. You get new launches. Everything that's on the international markets is there. Just go and buy yourself some makeup, some BC products. Anyways, I use this in the shade 7N. I really like this foundation. I'm going to be using it with the Aesthetics powder brush here. On the go, I just use powder brush to apply my foundation because it's easier for me. So yeah, as I was saying, I was understanding myself because I didn't understand how to translate money. How to translate what I was doing into money. I think I guess because I started like just because like I was passionate about what I was doing. I was just doing because I like to do it, and I wasn't really looking for money. But obviously, if you're putting in so much work, you're investing so much into what you're doing, obviously there's a chance to make money. Why not? So I guess I was just understanding myself. I was rather like looking to brands to give me products and thinking that they're doing me a favor because I needed them to create content. But that wasn't the case. I mean, that was the case too, but in the end the brand wins because when I post, obviously someone is going to get influenced by what I am doing and also go and like either buy the brand or like get used to the brand, get to know the brand and stuff like that. So yeah, that was one of my mistakes, and I also didn't know like how much potential I had in terms of like the reach and the influence that I had. So I always like undersold myself. I'm like, oh, like it's fine, I can do it for free because I'm not sure if you pay me for it, maybe I'll be able to get you the results that you need, blah blah blah. But that wasn't the case at all. Like you just have to believe in yourself and know that what you're doing is the right thing, because no matter what, even if one person is influenced, that person can influence the next person. The brand gets visibility. There's lots of things that go into social media that will definitely benefit the brand in the long run. I also got into wig life, so like I missed the wig life. Don't come for me, my wig is looking some way. And yeah, so on an everyday basis, I don't use too much foundation, just a few pumps of foundation. I just make sure I blend it into my skin really well. So yeah, the second thing that I also noticed was, the second mistake that I also did was, yeah, so because we were like the first people to start beauty blogging, let me just scale it down to beauty blogging and doing YouTube and stuff like that, there was no one to look up to in terms of like pricing, or like just to have knowledge on the market and like what brands want and stuff like that, how to interact with brands. So we had to learn everything from scratch, which was really difficult. So we made lots of mistakes. We basically made every mistake that you could think about. So probably didn't price our rate cards were poorly, mine was poorly done. I was undercharging. My favorite concealer from Makeup Revolution. This is the Concealer and Define in shade 13. I was under, so I don't use too much concealer on an everyday basis, just under my eyes, just to wake me up. So I was undercharging. There was no one to look up to. I didn't have knowledge on the apps that we have now. I think there's Social Book that shows you how much to charge, like give you an idea of like based on your followers how much you're meant to charge and stuff like that. Yeah, that was very difficult. So I made so many mistakes. I keep saying we, but it's me. I think it's we, but let me just talk for myself. For some, like for me, like the luck that I got was foreign brands, like international brands, approached me to work with me, because I was in the UK for some time, I don't know, but I got the opportunity to work with some international brands, and they will usually come to you with how much they want to charge, and that gave me insight on how to charge brands, because so I got the chance to, like, if they come up to me and they're like, ooh, pay maybe £100 or £150, and I'll say, oh, I can do it for 200. And most of the time, like most often than not, they come back and they're like, great, we'll work with you with the £200, blah blah blah. And I'm like, oh, okay. So like it gives you an idea of how much like you can actually charge as a beauty blogger. So that gave me insights. And also now there are so many apps that you can just put in your statistics on, and then it tells you how much. I'm going back with my foundation, the brush I use for my foundation, just to blend it in. It gives you an idea of how much you can charge, and it's perfect. So that was also one mistake that I did. I mean, first market entry, you don't have any idea of the market. I just come to like just try it. Like, so it was a lot of trial and error. So I made mistakes and we've learned from them. And yeah, I think now it's gotten way better. So I go over my eye with concealer because I have oily eyelids, and concealer does the trick for me. So the next mistake that I also did was my networking game is weak. Now I've learned, now I know better, honestly. I know way better and how to network and like get the right results from networking. But I think my main fear was getting to know people, and I'm going to set my under eye with some powder. It's getting to know people in the industry, but at the same time trying to keep your distance so you don't get involved in like too much drama and stuff like that. I think that's what held me back the most. But it was also messing with my work, because you work with people, like you're not an island. You need people to recommend you, and obviously when you are closer to people, they're more likely to remember you. And like when you go for social events and stuff like that and you interact with people, it's easier for people to remember you and then probably recommend you for jobs and stuff like that. I didn't push myself enough when it came to that, so I was also lacking in that area. But now, like, I know how to not just make friends, because that's not why we're here, but to be able to go out, network with the right people and get opportunities from all of that network. It's not just about making friends, but making friends where you both benefit. So I'm getting opportunities, and you're also like looking out for my best interest. Maybe if I need help with maybe a rate card, or if I need help with just different things, we can help each other. So yeah, my networking game was weak. So I just set my whole face with Sacha powder. I hope this comes out great, because this is what I do every day. So I hope it comes nice on camera. I'm going to be using I'm going to be using the Patricia Bright Patricia Bright and Makeup Revolution collab You Are Gold Face Palette. It's really nice. I use it to warm up my face. So this is not the darkest shade. This is the shade before the darkest shade. I really like this one because it just warms up my skin. It doesn't do too much. Not too much contouring. It just warms up my skin. So the next mistake that I'm going to talk about has to do with consistency on YouTube. I don't even lie, being a blogger is so discouraging in Ghana. It's like one of the most discouraging things ever. It looks really glamorous, like when we go for events and stuff like that. I don't even lie, it looks very glamorous. But the reality of the situation is most of us have day jobs, and combining YouTube and your day job is very difficult. It's like, I won't even lie, because obviously at the end of the day, it's your day job that's giving you money. And so like, if you have to choose or prioritize between your day job and YouTube, most often than not you're going to choose a day job. If I'm tired, like I can't come and kill myself, I can't record. And I also have a social life. So my social life includes my family, my friends, church, like just different things, and like it's just so many things in one. And when you think about the fact that, like, I mean, it's nice to do like what you're passionate about and stuff like that, but at the end of the day, if you're not getting any results, it's very difficult to keep pushing yourself. But like so that's one of my mistakes. I'm not consistent, and because it's difficult. So I can't even lie, I always think about the fact that like I'm letting you guys down. Like, oh my gosh, like I need to film because like people actually watch me and they like what I do. But on the other hand, I'm like, oh, like this is a lot. So I'm going to be using my Nars, my favorite blush that I use is from Nars in the shade Taos. This is what I use on an everyday basis. I like this because like I don't really have to use highlighter, because it's like a highlighter it's a tinted highlighter, sort of. So it's a blush, but it has like some shimmer in it. So yeah, consistency was killing me. It's still killing me. But yeah, I need to push myself. Like I found a new rhythm, like a new reason to keep pushing myself, and I think it's good enough. Also, like I'm also working on an exciting project. Like I can't wait to share the details with you guys. It's going to be really nice, I promise you. I promise you that. Actually, I'm going to go in a little bit of highlights. So yeah. So I did my eyebrows off camera. Really quickly, because we're not wasting time. 2020, no waste of time. My eyes look really bare and naked. I only use mascara on an everyday basis. So yeah. So the last mistake I'm going to talk about is, so I got into a habit of doing things because people wanted it. So the mistake I was making was I wasn't buying, or I wasn't focusing on things that I actually liked. I was focusing on things that I thought people liked, and I'll get those things and come and talk about it. But now that's not happening anymore. I mean, I think it's been over a year or two that I stopped doing that. Like I just buy brands that I would normally buy, and then I just talk about it. Like it's either you like it or not. So yeah, that's why like now it's just like things that I like, things that I'll buy. I'm not going to buy things and then waste it, because what happens is I buy these things and then it's just sitting there. I'm like, why did I even buy it? Just to do a review, and then I waste my money. But over the last year or two, like I just buy products that I love, and that's it. I love Maybelline and their mascaras. They make the best mascaras. I'm almost done actually. This is an extra step that I don't really do, but I feel like I want to do it. My nose is just calling me to highlight it. So for my lips, no quarry. I usually just go out with this, nothing else, just lip balm. But I mean, I'm going to use the Aesthetics lip pencil. It's a dark brown lip pencil. I love this. I think I'll go over that with the Aesthetics liquid luster. It's called Satinizer. Oh, Satinizer. It's a clear lip gloss with pigment. I've never done this. I've never seen this look on camera. Like I've never taken pictures whenever I do this look, but it's something that I've been doing like a lot. Like when I'm going to work, when I'm going out quickly, and I don't want to do too much. This is what I do. It usually takes me, without the extra steps that I did, it takes me like 15 minutes to do, and then I'm out of the house. So I hope this looks good on camera. I'll be so excited if this looks really good. But yeah, also I just joined Wig Gang last year, and yeah, I have a few wigs. I just have like 3 or 4 wigs that I really like. Yeah, let me know how I did. I know my wig game is weak, but it's going to get better. It's going to get better. I know how to straighten my hair, but like getting the parts, the edges, all of that. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video talking about like my mistakes and stuff like that. Hope you guys were able to learn something from it. Like just be yourself, be happy what you should do. Like if you have time, like I'm going to learn how to schedule my time. I have a whole journal now, like everything is on lock. Let's see how this goes. I don't want to jinx it, and yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, let me know, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.